Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Marie, and I am here today to show you guys a tutorial on how I apply my lace wig. Bear with me because it's not how I expected it to be. So if you guys have any tips for this, please let me know. But yeah, just stick around if this is something that you are interested in. And this is how I look. It's okay. So some of the things you guys are gonna need for this video is a edge control brush, blow dryer, scissors, and then you're also gonna need some makeup and then something to apply the makeup with. You can use foundation or concealer. I've seen both. Got to be glued spray, holding spray, and some mousse. And then also, lastly, a silk scarf. You are gonna need to use all these things when applying a wig. So, if this is something you guys are interested in, stick around. Also, you guys are gonna need a stocking cap. After I braided my hair straight back, I put a stocking cap over my head and I pulled it over my ears. After I sprayed, I began to blow dry it. It took about 3 or 4 minutes to completely dry. So then after that, I cut my ears out of the cap just so that I can make sure I can secure the sides down after I sprayed. Then after that, I cut it off. Once I cut it off, I then began to add the makeup. The makeup is very important for the wig because it matches your skin tone when you part it. So I put makeup on it. It doesn't matter what type of makeup you use. That really doesn't matter at all. But yeah, I encourage you guys to either use makeup or foundation, whatever works best for you. I found that the powder worked better for me. I got this wig from Indique Hair. I can put it in my description, the exact name of the wig and exactly where I got it from, but it's by Indique Hair. I really like this wig. It's like really, I've had it for about a year now, and it's just been really convenient for me. So now I'm using this Bold Hold glue that I got from my local beauty supply. I'll also put that in my description. But yeah, so I applied this all around the edge of the stocking cap, and then I pull it forward because the stocking cap became kind of flimsy after I cut it, and you want that part to be flat. So after I put the Bold Hold glue down, I then began to pull it forward. So then after I put the glue onto the stocking cap, I pulled the wig forward and placed it where I wanted to be placed it on my head. And then I began to press down on it. And shortly after I secure the place that I want my wig to lay, I then get a blow dryer and I just blow dry my edges until it's completely dry. That took probably about 2 minutes to dry completely. see that my cap was showing a little more and it was bothering me, so I had to cut that piece off because you don't want your cap to show at all. So I began to cut that off. This wig is also pre-plucked. Well, I pre-plucked it, and I also bleached the knot so that it can match my skin whenever I part it. So if you guys want me to do a video on how I did that, please comment below. For me, the hardest part was laying down my edges. I don't know why, but it was just really hard to cover up the lace. So if anybody has any suggestions on how I could have done that better, please drop it in the comments below. But first I used mousse, and then I went over it with the Got To Be glue spray, and then I blow dried it. Laying down the edges took way longer than I expected, but yeah, after I did that, I put a scarf on it, and then you guys will see how it came out. Okay, let's see how this looks with the lace. I don't think I'm gonna like it though, but let's see how it looks after I tied it down and attempted to do my edges. Let's see if it looks right. Ew. Okay, I hate this side. This side is okay. Excuse my son. Shh, I'm doing a video. Okay. It's okay. It's not that bad. I guess it don't look too wiggish, but I don't know if I really like it or not. See how I'll let it see up close. It's like kind of all over the place. It's not laid like I thought it would be. But it's doable, right? Like, I could go outside like this. I don't know.